Mzilikazi, founder of the Matabele Nation. In 19th century Southern Africa, Mzilikazi founded the Matabele Nation in what is now Zimbabwe. He started off as Shaka's powerful lieutenant, but ended up fighting with him. The Zulus wanted to execute Mzilikazi.
Strategy!
So in 1822, he led his people, the Kumalos, north. He escaped the Zulus and used his diplomatic and ruthless military skills to conquer and unite tribes to found a new clan, the Ndebele. Mzilikazi burnt farms to starve his enemies and slaughtered opponents in battle. He was so powerful that this period was called the Crushing. His devastation of rival tribes made it easy for the invading trekking Boers to push into his territory from the south. In 1838, Mzilikazi led his people to safety once again, beyond the Limpopo. Along his journey northwards, he met several European explorers, including David Livingstone.
Dr. Livingstone, I presume.
He moved as far north as he could, but the deadly tsetse fly stopped him moving beyond the Zambezi River. He settled in Bulawayo, which means place of slaughter. Remember Mzilikazi, one of Africa's greatest military leaders. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Manic Minutes.